Hi, I'm Adam, and I was just skiing on the Blizzard Quattro 8.0 Ti. Awesome ride for that advanced, creeping up on expert level skier, just looking for a smooth, damp ride on the front side of the mountain. If you're really looking to ramp up your speed and you want a ski that'll keep you stable and give you a lot of edge grip and a lot of rebound, this is a great option for you. Blizzard's Quattro technology just makes it easy into the turn, a lot of life as you exit the turn, and a lot of stability even once you crank up the speed to top speed.